Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. The Machiavellianism Test, often known as the Mac-IV test, is a psychological evaluation tool devised to measure an individual's predisposition towards Machiavellianism. This personality trait is named after Niccolò Machiavelli, a renowned political philosopher from the Renaissance era, and is characterized by manipulative behavior, emotional coldness, and a disregard for morality. The test consists of 20 statements. Individuals are asked to rate their agreement or disagreement with each statement on a 7-point scale. Machiavellianism is one of the 3 components of what psychologists refer to as the dark triad of personality traits. The other 2 are narcissism and psychopathy. Understanding these traits can be beneficial in various contexts, from personal relationships to business interactions. To use our free Machiavellianism test, follow these steps. Download our Machiavellianism test from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. The test consists of 20 statements that reflect various attitudes or behaviors related to Machiavellian tendencies. It's essential to ensure your client comprehends each statement before responding. You may need to explain some statements to ensure understanding. Once the client understands the statements, they will rate their agreement or disagreement on a 7-point scale. As a practitioner, encourage your clients to be honest and thoughtful in their responses. After the client has responded to all statements, you add the scores to get a cumulative total. A higher score indicates stronger Machiavellian tendencies. The final step involves interpreting the score. Remember, this test does not diagnose any mental health disorders. It provides insights into certain personality traits. Clients with higher scores may exhibit more manipulative behaviors and emotional detachment. Here is a sample of our Machiavellianism test, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Machiavellianism test, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.